All right. And what are we looking at? Well, this is a very nice picture. It is a nice plant. It's been closely monitored, watching as it grows, removing pictures that don't belong. This is a good example. Okay, so while we're talking, you will notice down here there is a little fuzzy picture forming down there. As you can see, there is no room for it to grow. And as such, I'm going to go in here and remove it. After I remove that picture, I do realize there are many more. Do you see that? There are many more that needs to be removed because they're overcrowding. So I'll do that just now. So now there's room for this one. So when I look in here, way deep down into the crevasse, you can see in a moment when I shine a light on it. There is a yellowing leaf way down there. So I'm going to remove it. Gently, making sure not to bruise anything else. And there we go. So overall, this is a very well grown plant. So here's a very good example of a pitcher development. So this pitcher right here that's growing is going to just grow right in this spot, and it'll overcrowd whatever wants to come through in the future. So what I'm going to do is I will move these two pitchers aside and push it down a little. Double checking how the petal is growing. Okay, it's not crossing anything. Is it crossing anything? It is. It is actually crossing this way. So I'm going to move it gently over here. See? So now it has a perfectly open space to develop, unobstructed. And that one's doing well. This one's doing well. So, and then you see down here. Okay, so here is a very good example. This one is being pushed by this pitcher, and you have a developing pitcher just above it, and there's no room for it to grow, to move. So this is kind of congested. So even though it is a very nice looking pitcher, I'm going to remove it to make room for this, this, and this. Reach in with my scissors, just the base of the pitcher, and move it like so. Alright, there you go. So now I have room to move this pitcher over here, bring this guy down, and then now this pitcher has this open space to develop, as well as this one that's over here. But let me see how this one is growing. You know what? I don't like it. So I'm gonna remove it. Whoa. This is, yeah, I'll remove it. So just remove the picture. There we go. So I believe that's it for this plant. Yeah. Now feed it. Deal solution. Deal solution. Deal solution. Deal solution. Top it off with the water. 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 And move it along. I have these three. 1, 2, 3. So solution, solution, solution. Top it off with the water. There you go. And let me see. And that's it. Again, don't have to fill everything out. What do you think? Pretty nice, huh? Oh, by the way, you see this? Yeah, that's mold. But I think this mold that is growing on the rim, there may have been some putrefying fluid of some carcass that was in there. You know, I think I did feed this a roach, so I'll just go ahead and fill it. There you go. Now, there are many containers you can use to grow these things in the net basket. This one is just a regular plastic container. And because I already filled the pictures, I don't want to disturb it too much. Oh, there is one challenge. It's a bit challenging getting the pots up when you want to fill the reservoir. But you want to see how this one is arranged. I have the nylon wicks. There's a mass of, I guess, moss growing on it. And some of the roots has already gone down. So there you go. Oh, can't wait to see how these pictures develop. And thank you for watching, and have a great day.